Well, each year, the students at Lancaster campus of York Technical Institute help prepare hundreds of turkey dinners for Water Street Mission's Thanksgiving meal. But in order to prepare 200 turkeys in time for the big day, they're starting now. News 11's Erica Such stopped by the Lancaster campus and has the story.
200 turkeys. That's how many birds will be served on Thanksgiving at Water Street Mission. Each year, the YTI Culinary School plays a big role in the mission's annual Thanksgiving dinner. And this year, they were given the biggest task, preparing all of the turkeys.
They're doing 200 turkeys for us. What they're actually doing here is they're deboning it, getting it ready to cook, seasoning it, and then refreezing it until that day. They're taking the bones and cooking them off and making gravies and things like that with it.
Basically, the outcome, the objective of this is to be able to cook the turkey in about 45 minutes. So we're separating the breasts, we're separating the drumstick and the thigh and the wings from the carcass.
While turkey prep may come easy to Chef Rob Polton, it's a learning experience some students haven't had a chance to do yet.
Every skill, every time they can get a knife in their hand, is great practice for them.
While students are learning valuable skills in the kitchen, they're also learning about giving back to the community.
I think just the interaction with the community events really gives them a perspective of what the hospitality industry is all about. And that's part of what we teach at YTI. We want to make sure that they understand they're going into an industry that has a wealth of opportunities like community events.
But the students' involvement with Water Street goes beyond just preparation. They'll be at Water Street on Thanksgiving Eve as well.
Come Thanksgiving, we'll send students there to help with the service and the preparation. So it really is it's a lot of self-satisfaction as well for us because we really like to give back to the community.
In Lancaster, Erica Such, News 11.